This repair video for the P0105 error code is specifically tailored for Nissan drivers. If your Nissan is showing up P0105 code, this is for you. It indicates a malfunction in the MAP or baro sensor circuit, indicating a problem with the sensor itself, its wiring or related vacuum lines. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty MAP or BARO sensor, wiring and connector problems, vacuum leaks, PCM malfunction, bad throttle position sensor. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. The MAP sensor. The MAP sensor is typically located on the intake manifold, either next to or on the throttle body itself. First, carefully remove the MAP sensor from the engine. Inspect the MAP sensor for any damage if damages are found, then replace the MAP sensor when you install a new MAP sensor. Check to make sure the new O-ring is in place and not damaged. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Nissan, Hyundai, Kia, BMW, Mercedes, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.